Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create Facebook page for affiliate marketing. So guys, if you are into affiliate marketing and you are looking for how to create Facebook page for affiliate marketing, then guys, watch this video. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create Facebook page for affiliate marketing, guys, right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you are beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then go and check out my book, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So if you are serious, then go and check out my ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. Down below there is a link, guys, right? So guys, now here, without any delay, let me show you how to create Facebook page for affiliate marketing, guys, right? So guys, now here what you have to do, go to your Facebook profile, guys. So here I assume that you have your Facebook profile. So guys, here what you have to do, simply guys, can you see that menu section? So click here and then can you see that page? So click here, this section page, and now page information. So guys, here you have to give it a name, guys, right? Give it a name. So as I want to use this for affiliate marketing, so I will come up with something similar to that, like affiliate commission secrets. So I'm gonna give this name, guys, right? Affiliate commission secrets. Now it is okay. Now I have to select, you can say, category type. So it's a business. Consultant. You can see that, guys, as we recommend the product, so somewhere we are like consultant, guys. So I'm gonna select this category, right? And you can choose as many as you can, guys, right? So it's up to you, guys. It's up to you. Let's, is there any, no, it is not showing. Okay, marketing, yeah. So we can select this one. Okay, that's fine. Now here I can write the description, guys. So you have to tell everybody that your what your Facebook page is all about. So as we are into affiliate marketing, so we have to say something like we help brand new people to build a 5-figure affiliate marketing business without paid ads. So guys, you can type any description, guys, it's up to you. So I'm just you can say showing you the example, guys, right? So finally, guys, when you do that, simply can you see that create page? Yeah, you can see that, guys, right? So it has been created, guys, right? And now we can add picture, guys, profile photo and cover photo, profile photo and cover photo. So in profile I can add my picture, guys, right? And in add cover I can you can say add the cover that is somewhere related to affiliate marketing. So for this example purpose, I'm just adding you can say my Facebook cover, that is of my Facebook profile cover, guys, right? So I'm gonna add this one. So I have already created this Facebook cover, guys, using the tool Canva, guys. It's a free software, guys, right? So you can use this tool, right? It's a free software, or guys, you can get it created from you can say from professionals by going to the site like Fiverr or Freelancer, guys, right? So guys, there is no excuse guys, right? If you say I don't know how to create Facebook cover page, guys, you can get it created guys, simply, right? And guys, here I would say come up with a business mindset. Don't think everything for free guys, understand this. From my personal experience, I would say there is no such thing that comes for free in our online industry. Sooner or later you have to pay. So why don't you pay today? Why don't you invest today in your business guys? So treat it as a real business, right? So it will take you hardly $5 to $10 guys to create Facebook cover guys. So it's up to you guys, right? So I'm gonna select this one. Or if you don't want to invest, you can learn guys, you can learn. There are so many videos on YouTube that how to create Facebook cover guys. You can see that guys, right? Now my Facebook you can say profile photo, I can pick as there is let's assume this one. Yeah, so I'm gonna you can say add this photo guys. So here I can add my single photo guys. So here I'm just showing you the example guys, right, how to do that. And then guys, right, yeah. So guys, now you can see my page is almost ready guys to publish. Set up your page. Yeah, everything is good. Now finally guys, save. I can change my photo and my cover anytime guys, right? So it doesn't matter guys. Here to create a Facebook page for affiliate marketing, one good thing is that you get the stats, right? How many engagement you are getting, who is liking, who is commenting, right? So here you get the stats guys about your page, right? So based on your stats you can come up with the content. You can create your marketing campaign guys. So this is the beauty of creating Facebook page guys, right? So yep, you can see that guys, right? My page is, yep, you can see my page is created guys, right? And here guys, I can start writing my post. Yes, I can create ad for my affiliate marketing guys. You can see that guys, right? So I don't want guys, I don't want to do that, right? So yep, I can add my button, right? So I can do so many things guys, I can do so many things, right? You can see insights. So how many people reached, how many engagements, how many page likes, right? Tagged product clicks. So I get the data guys, right? Yeah, here I can add my, you can say my website, right? So let me show you how to do that. My website is https www.digitalaffiliatebusiness.com. So guys, here you can add your website guys. It's up to you guys, or you can put your affiliate link guys here. It's up to you, right? So this is my website guys, right? Okay, yeah, you can see that guys. I can add my phone number, email, right? So I can do so many things guys, right? So yep, I can create my post. You can see that create post. So whatever I want to write, I can write guys, right? So let me show you how to do that guys. I'm gonna write one, you can say one quote guys, right? Something like if you want to solve your money problem, then start publishing till 365 days. and if you publish till 365 days, then all of your money problem will be gone. And guys, this is true guys, I'm the living proof guys, and it is said by Russell Brunson guys, when I was doing one funnel away challenge training. By the way guys, if you haven't done this training, I would highly recommend you go and do this training at least for once guys, right? So yep, this is my, you can say, simple post, and here I can promote my affiliate offer too guys. By the way, if you want to learn how to start online business, then join one funnel away challenge, right? Link is in my bio. Again guys, I would say don't put your affiliate link in the post guys. This is not the right practice as an affiliate marketer, so don't do that, right? So link is in my bio. So guys, simply as you can see, I have put my website link, so there I can put my affiliate link guys, right? So yep, everything is done guys. Yes, I can you can say post video, or I can add photo guys to this post guys, but just to show you the example, I'm gonna publish this post as it is guys. So post, yep, that's it guys, you can see. So guys, you can see that guys, everything is done. I have posted my post, right? So yes, if someone comes and check out my profile and go to my link, it can be my website link or my affiliate link, and if he or she decides to buy, I will make commission guys, right? But guys, here one thing you have to understand guys, don't think that you will create your Facebook page and you will post your content, then within 1 day 2 day you will start making money. No guys, it takes time guys. As I'm saying that guys, it will take 6 to 12 months time guys, and I always say nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, like you, and trust you. So you have to let everybody know you, like you, and trust you. And how you do that? Through your valuable content. So be consistent in providing valuable content on your Facebook page guys, right? So this is what you have to do guys, right? So it will take 6 to 12 months time guys to see the results, right? So yep, that's it guys, right? Now you know how to create Facebook page for affiliate marketing guys. And yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you guys, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel, and down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then guys, go and check out my channel, or you can say subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button guys, right? So yep, thank you so much for watching. Love you, have a nice day. Bye bye guys.